Hello everybody, this is Uma from Success Law Classes. Today we will discuss what is the present status of criminal law bills. The criminal law bills were sent to committee, that is Standing Committee on Home Affairs, which is the panel headed by BJP MP Brijlal, and he has 3 months time to carry out discussions and submit its report on these bills. That is the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita Bill 2023, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Bill 2023 and Bharatiya Sakshya Bill 2023. Here these bills have been referred to the Standing Committee on Home Affairs. The committee has 3 months to carry out consultation and submit its report on the 3 bills which seek to replace the Indian Penal Code 1860, the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898 and the Indian Evidence Act 1872. The Standing Committee on Home Affairs is headed by the Rajya Sabha MP and that is Brijlal. The government argued that these 3 bills are aimed at decolonizing the Indian justice system. All the 3 laws that are being repealed, the government noted, were framed and enacted by the British Parliament. These 3 acts which will be replaced were made to strengthen and protect the British rule, and their purpose was to punish, not to give justice. The Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita Bill, which will replace the CrPC, will now have 533 sections. 160 sections have been changed, 9 new sections have been added and 9 sections have been repealed. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita Bill, which will replace the IPC, will have 356 sections instead of the earlier 5 sections. 175 sections have been amended, 8 new sections have been added and 22 sections have been repealed. Coming to Bharatiya Sakshya Bill, will now have 170 sections instead of 167 sections in the previous bill enactment. 23 sections have been changed, 1 new section have been added and 5 were repealed. These are the updates with regard to criminal law bills. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please click on like button.